Christmas is the beautiful time of the year when our homes become warm, colorful, and full of happiness. But Christmas decorations don't always have to be expensive. Sometimes the most beautiful decoration can be made from simple things we already have at home. Old denim jeans, small fabric pieces, ribbons, buttons, lace, and a little creativity can become wonderful Christmas decoration. Today, let's explore some beautiful denim craft ideas that can bring a cozy handmade feeling to your Christmas home. And imagine opening an old cupboard and finding a pair of jeans that you no longer wear instead of throwing them away. You can give them denim a beautiful new life. Denim is strong, easy to work with, and has a lovely blue color that looks amazing with Christmas decorations. With a little imagination, an old pair of jeans can become the beautiful Christmas tree, candle holders, wall organizer, flower decoration, or even a cute little Christmas angel. And it's all dress is all crafts is very amazing. It's a very amazing and different, outstanding. So our story begins with a simple piece of old denim and quilt winter evening. A family was preparing their home for Christmas, but they wanted to decorate it differently this year. And they wanted something personal, something handmade, and something that would remind them that beautiful things can come from simple beginnings. They found an old pair of jeans and decided to turn it into their first Christmas decoration, and their first project was a beautiful denim candle holder. A simple glass candle holder was decorated with strips of blue denim, soft cream fabric, tassels, and small decorative details. When the candle was lit, the warm light made the blue denim look even more beautiful. It created a different, amazing, very useful, different ideas, and this is a very amazing and small decorative details. When the candle was lit and warm light made the blue denim look even more beautiful. It created a peaceful Christmas atmosphere and showed that even a simple candle can become a special part of home decoration. Next came a cute denim fish shaped organizer, and this little craft can be made from denim scarves and felt. Small pockets made from old jeans can be added to the design to hold pencils, scissors, ribbons, or other small craft supplies. It is not only decorative but also useful. Handmade organizer like this can make a craft look careful while keeping small things neatly in one place. Another beautiful idea is a round denim cushions or decorative pillow. Several pieces of old jeans can be carefully joined together to create a unique patchwork design. A large button or simple hook detail in the center can give it a charming handmade look. Place it on a sofa, chair, or bed. It can instantly add a cozy touch to your Christmas decoration. Denim and flowers also make a wonderful combination. An old jeans pocket can be turned into a small flower holder. Add some artificial flowers, Christmas greenery, or winter flowers and hang the pocket on a wall or door. The contrast between the bright flowers and blue denim creates a fresh and careful decoration that can be enjoyed throughout the holiday season. One of the easiest projects is a denim Christmas tree ornament. Small pieces of denim can be cut into simple tree shapes and decorated with buttons, beads, lace, ribbons, or tiny stars. These little trees can be hung on the Christmas tree, placed on a shelf, or used as a decoration for gifts. Every small piece can look different, making the whole collected feel personal. Another lovely idea is a denim angel. The angel can be made with denim fabric for the dress, natural rope for the hair and belt, and light colored fabric for the wings. A small heart can be placed in the angel's hands as a symbol of love and kindness. This decoration can look especially beautiful on a Christmas table shelf or near the Christmas tree. As the family continued creating, they discovered that denim could also become a beautiful miniature Christmas tree. Different shades of blue denim were cut into strips and arranged in layers. The layers created a soft flowing tree shape, small red buttons, beads, ribbons, and a star on top completed the design. It was simple, but it looked unique and full of Christmas spirit. Denim Christmas trees can be made in many different styles. Some can be tall and elegant, while others can be small and cute. You can use dark blue denim, light blue denim, or mix several shades together. Adding white lace can create a snowy effect. White, silver, or gold decoration can make the tree look more festive. The best part is that there is no single correct design. Another creative idea is a denim wall organizer. Old jeans pocket can be carefully removed and attached to a piece of denim or another strong fabric. These pockets can hold scissors, ribbons, pens, craft tools, or even a small Christmas decoration, at least around the edges and wooden stick at the top. And you have a beautiful handmade organizer that is both practical and decorative. The family also made a denim Christmas gift bag. Instead of buying a new gift bag, they used an old jeans leg and decorated it with fabric, stars, and a little ribbon. The finished bag looked charming and could be reused again and again. Handmade gift bags can presents feel even more special because they show that someone took time and care to create something by hand. Denim can also be used to make beautiful Christmas stockings. Cut the denim into a stocking shape, sew the piece together, and decorate the top with lace or soft fabric. Add a name and a small Christmas tree or a snowflake using fabric pieces. Hang the stockings near the Christmas tree or fireplace, and they will add a warm, handmade feeling to the room. Another fun project is a denim wreath. Use a round base and cover it with small strips of denim and tie the strips into soft layers and add bows, stars, bells, pine cones, or small ornaments. A denim patch can look wonderful on a front door and give guests a beautiful first impression of your Christmas home. As the evening continued, the family realized that crafting together was becoming more special than simply decorating the house. Everyone was sharing ideas, laughing, cutting fabric, and helping one another. The room was filled with small pieces of denim, ribbons, buttons, and colorful decorations. The crafts were beautiful, but the memories they were creating together were even more beautiful. This is one of the sweetest things about handmade Christmas decorations. They don't have to be perfect. A slightly uneven stitch or a handmade detail can make a decoration even more special. When something is made by handmade, it creates a little piece of the personal who created. That is why handmade decorations often feel warmer and more meaningful than ordinary decorations. You can also create a small denim Christmas trees for a table centerpiece. Place several trees together in different sizes and shades of blue. Add tiny stars, silver beads, white ribbons, or little bells. Put them on a wooden tray with pine cones and greenery, and you can create a beautiful Christmas display without spending a lot of money. If you love rustic decoration, combine denim with natural rope and wood. Denim has a casual look, while rope and wood add a warm country style feeling. Together, they create a cozy Christmas decoration that looks beautiful in living rooms, bedrooms, craft rooms, or even on a covered porch. A few simple materials can create a very charming result. Hope you like all ideas in collection, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very highly demanding and very useful, very creative denim handbags craft and denim craft ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.